Once upon a time, there was a giraffe and a bird. "Hello," said the giraffe. "Hello," said the bird. "Do you want to play?" said the giraffe. "Yes, yes, let's play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's time to look for the bird. Where is it? Here behind the curtains. Hello, are you a bird?" "No, no, no, we are the ladybirds." "Oh, where is the bird? Oh, let's see. Are you the bird?" "No, no, no, we are rabbits. Jump, jump, jump." Are you the bird?" "No, no, no, we are monkeys. Ee-ee-ah, Where is the bird? Let me see here under the rock. Are you the bird?" "No, I'm a panda bear. Rawr." "Where is the bird? Bird, where are you?" "Tick, tick, tick, I'm here, over your head." "Oh, I found you," said the giraffe. "Let's play again. Come on."